Right, settle down the lot of you. Try to keep up, I haven't got all day. We're looking at SK Telecom today, ticker 017670, for those of you who haven't completely forgotten how to read numbers. The market regime is risk on, which is just a polite way of saying even the absolute tossers are making money right now. So we're at 100% equities. We've given this a 24 out of 30 factor score. Why? Because earnings are turning a corner in 2026, and they're about to shake down their existing customers with a new 5G SA tariff. We're looking at an 18% upside here. But because I know you'll find a way to muck it up, there's a hard trailing stop at 95,500 won. Don't blink, just sell if it hits it.
Next slide. Look at the macro, if you must. The KOSPI is hovering around 6,500, hitting new highs. Foreign investors are buying, probably because they've got nowhere else to park their cash right now. Look at the technicals. Actually, just look at the bloody chart I put on the screen, the PNG file. The 5, 20, 60, and 120-day moving averages are perfectly lined up. It's broken the 100,000 won psychological ceiling and actually managed to stay there. It's so blindingly obvious that a moderately trained golden retriever could spot the trend.
Slide 3. Why are we bothering with this? Half the reason, 50% weight, is that they finally stopped bleeding customers after that cyber breach cock-up in 2025. They're recovering, and operating profit is projected to jump 82% year-on-year. Another 35% of our bet is on this 5G SA rollout. It's their first proper upselling racket in 7 years. History shows when telcos force new tariffs, the stock goes up. The last 15% is some noise about an AI firm called Anthropic. Yes, they own a piece of it. Yes, it's worth a fortune. No, you shouldn't wet yourselves over it, because it's mostly priced in. Quality. Not a word I usually associate with you lot, but SKT actually has it. EPS is sitting at 6,813 won, and ROE is clawing its way back to 10.8%. Their broadband subsidiary is quietly raking it in with data centers. As for shareholder returns, they're paying out dividends like it's 2023 again. If you like getting paid for doing absolutely nothing, which I know is a lifestyle choice for some of you, keep an eye on the Q1 dividend announcement next week. It's the catalyst we're waiting for.
Slide 5. The target. The street is guessing anywhere between 110,000 and 140,000 won. Take the median consensus of 118,000 won, and you've got an 18% upside from where we are sitting today. Foreigners hold nearly 40% of this beast, and local institutions are starting to nibble. Look at the valuation chart from the Hana Securities report I attached. 140,000 won is ambitious, I'll grant you, but greed usually is.
Last slide. Pay attention. This is the part where you usually lose the firm's money. We are using a mechanical trailing stop, 95,500 won. That's a 7% drop from the 52-week high. If it crosses that line, you execute the sell order. No feelings, no let's wait and see, you just sell. If their Q1 earnings miss by more than 10%, or if the regulators suddenly wake up and block the new 5G tariffs, our entire premise is knackered, and we reevaluate immediately. Right. I'm going for a pint. Try not to burn the portfolio down while I'm gone.